Hi, if you need a hide app on the iPhone 16, let me show you how. For that, we just need to press and hold the app which we wanna hide, just like that, and we'll see this option to require passcode. So if we select it, we'll see two options, only require passcode and hide and require passcode. So if you wanna hide this app, you will need to select the second option and now enter your iPhone's passcode. So after that, you will need to confirm this step that you wanna hide this app. You won't be able to receive notifications, calls, or alerts. And here you can read some on-screen instructions about hidden apps. So let's confirm that we wanna hide it, and now it is gone from your homepage. And even if you will trigger this search bar and type in the name of your app, you won't be able to find it here. So to find this app, we would need to swipe left to go in the app library, but instead of searching for the app in the folders, we will need to scroll till the end and we'll see the hidden folder. So to unlock it, just tap it, enter the passcode, and here's your hidden app. Just select it and now you can use it. But if you close this app, the tab will close itself as well, and you will need to re-enter the passcode. Also, you can go in the settings, here select this apps tab, scroll till the end, and you will see this hidden apps section. Enter the passcode and you'll see the list of your hidden apps. So, to unhide this app, we will need to return back to the app library, tap on the hidden, enter the passcode once more, and then press and hold this app and select the option don't require passcode. After that, confirm by re-entering the passcode the last time and the app will be unhidden. So you can find it in the folder and you can drag it onto the home page once more, and this app will be simply unhidden as it was before. So that's it how you use it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.